Alright guys, it's nice to be back and have lungs. Lungs! It's nice to have lungs back. Anyway, it's been a while. No it hasn't. Just yesterday, so finally recovered. But anyway, it's time to bring back that love and feeling. Bring back that love and feeling. Bring back that love and feeling. Now it's gone. Gone. Anyway, so many great songs from that movie. To be remembered. But anyway, we've got this cool tripod and it's doing a great job, so I thought I'd let you guys see some of the awesome things you can do with this tripod that I've got. And one of the great things that you can do with a tripod is just move around, and look at that. Everything stays perfectly in focus. And you can turn around. Yes, it's that magical thing called the Free Vision Vilta, and it's on a newer tripod. Yep, that's the name of the company. Newer tripod. But anyway, look at that. There's some really cool things that just came in that I wanted to talk about. And yeah, all kinds of awesome companies there. There's Color Farm, we talked about Xiaomi, we talked about Domisol, and look at that, we've got Kirby in the background. Isn't Kirby amazing? I love Kirby. I've done so many 3D prints of Kirby over the years, but this is extra cool. I love the graphics on that, and we'll go check out some of the stuff over here. Unfortunately, the only thing where there's a little bit of jarring is caused by tiles. Because it'd be better to have like linoleum, but then what if we had humongous tiles in the kitchen instead of mini tiles? Then the wheels wouldn't get stuck, but you get what you get and you don't get upset, because at the very least we've got HD, and with HD you can do things like this. Look at that zoomage. Look at that zoomage. Bring back that love and feeling. Bring back that love and feeling. Just bring back that love and feeling. Now it's gone. But you could zoom even further. Look at that. It's the power of the iPhone 13. Yeah, it's not bashing day today for the iPhone 13. I'm gonna get that Belinda Award. I know I'm getting that Belinda Award very soon. It's coming, my friends. That Belinda Award, it's just about time for me to get it. Again, I don't want the Oscars. Who wants the Oscars? They've made a mockery of the Oscars. But the Belinda Award looks fancy. I want one of those. Have any guys seen that cool stuff? The Belinda Award, you guys know what that's all about? Have you seen the video? All you gotta do, whenever you hear something funny that I say or something ridiculous that I say, is just type in Marco Reviews, and then after that, whatever the weird thing that I said. And usually you can find stuff that way. Unless YouTube is going out of their special way to make sure that what I'm talking about does not appear. In which case, it's just what it is, isn't it? Anyway, so let's remember that Steve and I are going to do a new live stream to be continued, right? The first live stream was Steve's What's in the Box, and it turned out to be fantastic, although nobody got to see it on time because, as you guys remember, there was none of that loving feeling. And so YouTube hid it from all of you guys. Got so many comments and emails from you awesome people. And yeah, everybody was like, yep, spent 10 minutes trying to find the live stream link, but nope. Nobody could find it. Because it was hidden. But luckily a lot of awesome people did get to see it and watch it after the fact, which is why it's nice to have that feature on YouTube, where after the live stream is done, you can still watch it later. But you know, when you want to do timely stuff, right? You want to do timely stuff, and you can't because YouTube does what it does. That's a sad thing. So that's why I decided to bring back that loving feeling. Bring back that loving feeling. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys the wall one more time, because it is a very important wall. I spent a lot of time putting this amazing stuff together, and so many years of watching amazing content from all these channels that, in my opinion, still don't get enough love from YouTube. But anyway, enough about that. I'm gonna leave you guys with more of that love and feeling. Bring back that love and feeling. Anyway, as you guys know, going forward, I'm gonna have this awesome background through all the videos and live streams and stuff to make sure that people that do watch the channel get a chance to see all of your channels and bring back that loving feeling so that you guys can get more followers too. You definitely paid it forward, and I learned a lot from your channels, so it's my turn. It's my turn. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully somebody will show up and take a look at that Steve What's in the Box, because we do have giveaways happening, and Steve and I are planning to do a second one next week. Not this week, but next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bring back that love and feeling. Bring back that love and feeling. Just bring back that love and feeling. Now it's gone, gone, gone.